Hello, my love. Welcome back to the 30-day meditation challenge by Lavendaire. Today's meditation will focus on connecting with yourself, your inner light and inner power, strengthening your intuition, confidence, and resilience. Let's start in a comfortable seated position with our palms facing up. Close your eyes. We'll take 5 deep breaths in through our nose and out through our mouth. Take it at your own pace. Inhale and fill up your belly. Exhale, let it all out. Feel your body growing softer with each exhale. Notice your breathing has become slower and deeper. Continue breathing through your nose, slowly and deeply. Feel your entire body soften and relax. Relax your brain, relax your mind. If you've had any thoughts, just observe them and then let them go. Let them float away like clouds. Relax your heart. Notice how your heart is feeling, whether you've been holding any tension in your chest. With each breath, continue relaxing, releasing, and letting go. Continue relaxing your entire body with each deep exhale. Simply enjoy this moment of peace. Find gratitude for your body, gratitude for all that your body does for you, and also find peace in knowing that you are safe in this moment. Peace and gratitude for simply existing. How beautiful it is to simply exist, to just be. In this pure place, this place of connection and peace, is where you can connect with your true self. You can call it your heart, your soul, your intuition. This is the source of your inner light. We all have this light within. We all have this inner voice, and it's always guiding us. It is our source of wisdom. The question is, do you know how to listen to it? Are you able to get quiet, pay attention, and hear what it's saying? Take a moment to connect with this inner light and intuition that you have within. This is a power that no one can ever take away from you. You have your own unique energy. This is your relationship with yourself. The more you cultivate this relationship, the more you nurture this inner light, the more positive and fulfilling your life can be. What has this inner voice been saying to you? Take the time to truly pay attention. Sometimes it's very clear, other times it takes some patience. Sometimes it gives us clues that leads us to the next clue and the next clue, and that's okay. The more you cultivate this relationship with yourself, the clearer it will be, the more aligned your life will feel. Trust yourself, believe yourself. The more you cultivate this relationship, the more confident you will become, and the more resilient you will become, because you always have this compass guiding you. You can visualize this as an inner light in the center of your heart. Visualize a bright white light in your heart. It is glowing so beautifully. The more you breathe into it, the more energy you give, and the more love you give, the brighter and stronger this glowing light becomes. Imagine this energy as your pure life force. This energy is you in your purest form. It's so beautiful. It's untouchable. Literally nothing can destroy this energy. This energy is the light that you are. It is always there, glowing within. It is always guiding you to where you're meant to go. All you have to do is trust yourself, believe in yourself. The more love and positive energy that you give to yourself, the more you can grow and nurture this beautiful energy that you have within. You are so worthy and you are so beautiful. Nothing can destroy this beautiful energy that you have within. Take a moment to be grateful for yourself, grateful for your own light. I will now share some positive affirmations. Feel free to repeat them in your mind or out loud. I am confident in myself and my worth. I trust my intuition and inner voice. I am powerful. I am resilient. I choose love over fear. I love myself. I trust myself. Beautiful. Now let's take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. You are now ready to continue your day as your highest self. Blink open your eyes and feel the strength of your inner light. Have a beautiful day, sending you so much love. Namaste.